Tesla is planning to increase the production rate of its Model Y at Gigafactory Texas, with a target to achieve full production capacity by the end of the second quarter of 2021. The electric car maker recently announced its 2021 earnings report, which showed that the Model Y was the best-selling vehicle in the Tesla lineup. The company aims to continue the momentum with a significant increase in production output. According to reports, Tesla has already started to increase production of the Model Y at its Texas facility. Sources indicate that the automaker has been expanding its production lines and is now adding more equipment to ramp up production capacity. Additionally, the company is reportedly hiring more employees to help with the increased workload. The Model Y is a highly popular electric SUV, and Tesla has been working to meet the strong demand for the vehicle. The company aims to produce more than 1,000 Model Y units per day at Gigafactory Texas once it reaches full production capacity. With the increase in production output, Tesla is poised to solidify its position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. Tesla's focus on ramping up production comes at a time when demand for electric vehicles is skyrocketing. The company aims to capitalize on this trend by increasing production output and expanding its product lineup. With the Model Y already proving to be a hit with consumers, the automaker is well positioned to continue its success in the electric vehicle market.